So the last week I'm stuck in that class that I've been talking about on my tutorials, and just want to show you like the outcome that I had for the project we made so far. We're going to continue working on it for the next couple of months, hopefully. Well, I'll be doing the coding. Nobody else probably does shit, but that's how it works. Anyway, it's a little laggy right now, but so now right here I have the tile editor. Now I've added the snap mode back in because I believe it's needed. Was having some overlap issues with the tiles. Like you'd have a reset tile overloading over top of a regular tile, so you'd hit a regular tile and it reset, so it was just like all fucked up. As you see, it's not snapping correctly at the moment. This really pisses me off because I add it at the top left of the editor, but it does it from up here and not beyond, like way up at the beginning, you know, where the beginning actually is. It does it from where the current position of the thingy up here. Now I've tried to take the scroll bar and add it to this. Then I did like a remainder thing, I believe, and I can't seem to figure out how to add it when I'm scrolling and have it snap and add correctly. It's confusing as a bitch, so if anybody has an idea there, feel free to tell me, because it's really aggravating. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with it so far. I want to add some more features, but I'm trying to get that snap to option really fixed. I want to go ahead and run it one more time. I want to add a different panel over here. Instead of having this, I want to have like the actual tile sheet loaded in on this area to be able to edit it. And I want to have a lower panel for like adding new tiles, and have an upper panel for adding, you know, for editing tiles that are already in the scene. But I've got to get this shit fixed before I can do that. I have a save that works. The open does not work yet. I got to go back and change that. The way C# handled opening files, you have to basically either parse a line of numbers, which would be a pain in the ass, or output each number on a different line. So I'm gonna do that. I hadn't fixed it yet though. Alright, so here's the actual game engine. Graphics are pretty good. I didn't make them. Well, they're great. It's probably lagging in the VCam right now. It looks like it's lagging because of the fact that I'm recording. But that's the reason why. Right now, I've got to, holy shit, oh, never mind. Windows just scared the crap out of me. It changes backgrounds, Windows 7 does. And I'm not used to it yet. Jump up on a platform over here. And yeah, if you hit that, it resets you. I'm gonna add eventually where it'll like reset you like right before it, like what a Mario game would do, and you'd have life and stuff. I want to add like catapults because it has to have like an engineering topic behind it. So I'm gonna add like catapults, so when it like you get to like a really large field of lava like this, like I don't know, so far, then you have to like take a formula and figure out what gear ratio you need to send you in at a specific height, you know, and what power, you know, stuff like that, what angle, all that good stuff. That will come later though. I don't have culling for the tile drawing right now, so I didn't load that big of a level into it, knowing that I would be using the VCam. But I don't know if I mentioned it, it does use the Xbox gamepad controller for input, so I'm using the left thumbstick and the A button to do this, and I have to admit it's pretty awesome. You know, you don't have to use arrow keys, though you can. That's the arrow keys also. But now I'm going to just like die, and yeah, and that's the end of this. So comment, like, subscribe, whatever. You want to help, let me know. Thanks, guys.